गुड मॉर्निंग। आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
जी सर।
आज हम लोग सीखेंगे वीलैन। तो पहले मैं एक जॉब ऐड शेयर करता हूँ ग्रुप में, उसको ही फिर बनाएंगे। Just I now sharing a job ad about VLAN in your group. First, you can see there also, and today implement and discuss. Now it is shared now. This is the VLAN and IVR. Okay. So first you check it, and then we go start for VLAN and open the packet tracer. Directly we make this diagram and discuss what is about VLAN. What is the VLAN? First, just understand about this. VLAN. That means VLAN. VLAN. definitely V plus LAN. Okay, so LAN is definitely local area network. Okay, so V, that means virtual. Virtual LAN, virtual local area network. Okay, already we know about diagram how to make internet in the campus. For internet, simply again I recall, this is the customer edge router, and from this customer edge router connect to the switch, and switch to switch, and then this is customer edge router, and this customer edge router connected to the outsider PE router, and PE is connected to the MPLS cloud. That means the core router. There's a main router, national line NIB2. So I think there is this is already very picture clear all of your mind. Now I discuss about the VLAN. So for VLAN, we just in our campus. Where is the LAN? This is the LAN. Meaning of the LAN is the router 1 port. This is the meaning of the LAN. Okay. Now, so what is the VLAN? VLAN is very simple. Now, this all remove, not needed. Okay. In the campus, VLAN. So suppose this is a college. In this college, you have various departments also. In our campus, we have various departments. Suppose this is a campus, and this is the customer edge router is here implemented. But in your campus, different department, one department. So if we just discuss about the just 1 minute. हाँ हेलो माननी बोले हाँ हाँ नहीं join, yeah, why I just asking to, so I will update now. Okay, तो you जब आपका अभी क्लास शुरू होगा ना 11:30 बजे, ठीक है ना, तो आप तब बता देना, अभी मैं दूसरी क्लास ले मैं तब उसमें जो भी चेक कर लो, कुछ भी और अपडेट करना हो तो भी मैं अपडेट कर दूंगा, ठीक है। आप 11:30 पे आपकी क्लास है ना, उसी टाइम आप मेरे को बता देना क्लास शुरू होने से, ठीक है ना, तो मैं उसी समय करके साथ के साथ करके दे दूंगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। ओके, थैंक यू। In our in your campus, suppose it's a college campus, there is different department. One department is the CS department, one department is the another department is a mobile department, yeah, electronic department. So different department in the campus. So suppose the most important department is also in the campus is the account department. Okay, the account department in any organization, the most, if I ask the most important department of any organization. So what is the most important department of any organization? That is account department. Without account, without finance, nothing is possible. Anyone, no, without finance, any organization can't survive. Finance is the basic need of every organization, either government, either private, any at your home also. Okay. So in this case, account department is the most important department, and that every person try to normal person, yeah, any person, they all are depend on the money. So maximum focus each and every people ki how to access about money, what about saving money, how to money gain, different types of motto possible. So now it is most department that definitely each and every government is the most important activity every were done, that is the auditing. Audit is the most important factor of any account, any organization. So it is just like CID and CBI. It is just like CID and CBI. Okay, this is audit. So there are two types of auditor. One is the internal auditor and one is the internal and another is the external. There are two types of auditor, one internal and another is the external. The external auditor look like just very CBI, just CBI red, very just external auditor CBI red. Any organization, either private, either government, definitely external auditor will be done. Otherwise, that organization not allow to doing any business. If you want any business, sell business stabilization, initially 2 or 3 year, that no problem. But after 2 years, definitely their audit will be start. Without audit, any company, if not done any audit timely, definitely your company become blacklisted. Okay, so must be audit is the most important. Suppose a LTTC here, when auditor come here, external auditor maybe maintain or maybe deputed by government or any some authority of government given to an organization, they will allotted that person. So that auditor when come in the campus, he reach in the campus and first instruction to me, Mr. IT department, Mr. Internet Controller department, I just instruct to all of you, please cut internet immediate all account person, all finance related person, immediate account person. Okay, there is what. In my campus, we have a lot of department, account department, mobile department, sales department, HR department, but auditor only order instructs to cut only which department? Audit department. So in this case, what problem? It is very clear ki if I make a proper management in our campus for internet purpose as IT person, we act some basic arrangement ki this which types of person are related to the account, which person related to the sales, which person related to the admin. So we just make a management in our LAN. We just also create within a LAN some small department. हम क्या करेंगे, लाइन के अंदर छोटा छोटा लाइन और बनाएंगे. सपोज दिस इज the main router. This is the definitely all are in the simple line. Okay, this is all line. Okay, this is line. But here some people related to the account, some people related to the sales. Okay, so we just make a arrangement in locally within a line. Where within a line we make a locally. I just write down here again. It is easy for within a line. We make a locally again within a small group of department. It will be also line okay. Within a LAN already your college is the campus. There you are definitely your college single LAN, no problem. There is a router and one port and distribute whole campus internet help of the switch, no problem. This is a single LAN. But system manager or network manager within the campus, now responsibility for him how to manage separate department. if anybody in the hostel, so how to know ki that person related to the account person, related to the management person, related to other department. So we just make a proper arrangement within a LAN. We make sub LAN also. So this is the VLAN. Virtual LAN matlab already LAN, but within the LAN we make our level, local level, we make another LAN. So this is known as the VLAN. Okay. So how to go for VLAN? So just I give a job ad, directly go to job ad. It is easy to understand more. First we take one router, then we again discuss here. This is a router. This is the main router of your college campus. Suppose this is a your college, suppose any college, Delhi University, you can DU campus. Okay, there is the LAN. DU campus. Okay. DU campus. Okay. Now this campus connected to the switch. Suppose two switches, but for understanding, two switch. Okay. I just focus also your job ad. Connector this. There is some computer. I just put these two computer related to the account department. These two computer related to the another department. Okay. Similarly, it may be ki computer in the campus account person, maybe any place, not ki only single any room, any there. He maybe move any place through Wi-Fi, through another room also, but he person related to account. Okay. So it may be another switch connected, no problem. This is suppose. I just here write down. This PC is related to the account PC. And this PC is the related account PC. And this PC related to sales department. Another is this is a sales department. Okay. So now I just take one cable. The main cable is no problem. Definitely this router 01 I connect to the this 01. Okay. So this is the main line. And router 2 as this switch to this switch, same devices. So this is the connected to crossover cable 02. Okay. Now what we can do? For VLAN, it is mandatory where we make a VLAN. VLAN always make help of the switch. This switch. In this my switch, I have 24 port. Okay. In my there are 24 port. Okay. And out of 22 port, one number and two number used for trunk line. Trunk line means directly not computer. This is the moving whole campus load to router. Okay, trunk line. Okay. And now we have just I discussed about this switch. So in this switch, already want to it for this switch. Remaining port number 3, port 3 to 24. Okay. So out of 3 to 24, if IV decide, it is completely depend on local person. He can make own decision, own planning, doesn't require any external people. If I am in charge of LTTC, so definitely I am free. I'm completely free, and anytime I can change my plan, no problem, due to security. Okay. So now we have already 2 port used, but we have port number 3 to 24. So if I decide कि port number 3 to 10 क्या चीज एक कैमरा ऊपर है ना 806 में वो सीजीएम सर के वाला लैपटॉप एक ऊपर है ना हमारा ऑफिस वाला जो है वो मैकबुक की रिसीविंग चाहिए कौन देगा और सीजीएम सर का किसी को मत दो उसे मेरे नाम रिसीव कर दो एक बात बताता हूँ क्योंकि अभी सीजीएम सर जाने वाले हैं सीजीएम सर का कह रहे हैं कि भाई 1 महीने तो मैं छुट्टी पे जा रहा हूँ 2 महीने की नौकरी रखी है ठीक है अगर किसी को देगा तो हमारे पास रिटर्न बैक नहीं होगा तो अभी वो खाली वहां पर 203 में यूज कर रहे हो वो ठीक है ना। तो अभी हम किसी को देने के बजाय अपने ही पास रखते हैं, ठीक है ना, फर्दर हम देखेंगे, ठीक है। और हमें बोलेंगे सर का इश्यू है, सिंपल बात है, ताकि कोई ये नहीं कहे एंट्री की जरूरत नहीं है।
ठीक है, तो फिर अब तुम देख लेना।
हाँ मैं देख लूंगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
लास्ट टाइम थोड़ा इश्यू आ गया था।
अभी क्या, अभी इतना बोलना सीजीएम सर के पास में, क्योंकि हमें तो वहाँ यूज करना है।
मेरे से कोई नहीं मांग रहा,
ठीक है ना। नहीं जो जो दूसरे पूछते ना, कोई कहने लगे
मैकबुक कोई नहीं लगाएगा, मैकबुक किसी को यूज करने नहीं,
किसी को मैकबुक नहीं चाहिए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
ये 2 कैमरे तुम्हारे पास है,
एक ये है, एक ऊपर है।
ठीक है।
Port, we now decide port number 3 to 10 for account. What is meaning of this? Meaning of this is that कि yeah, कीबोर्ड तो नहीं है इधर, बाहर में देखो पड़ा हो तो अलग बात है। वो अभी मुझे याद नहीं है, देखना पड़ेगा वहीं पे। Meaning of this is the port number 3 to 10. If I put cable, suppose here take one cable. If I keep here one cable and click on this computer, port number 0, here click port number 3. So that means this PC related to the account PC. Okay. And another click here 10 number. So if I put any cable from between 3 to 10, this is the known for account computer. Okay. If I get, okay. And similarly, you have decision here. We just decision out of 3 to 24 port, if I put any cable port number 3, port number 4, it will be become for account PC. Similarly, I'm making here planning, so definitely whole campus my planning in every switch is the similar. So here we decided each and every switch, if port number 3 to 10, if anybody connect to the computer or Wi-Fi and related to their PC, they automatically become for account person. If I similarly another side router 3 a switch, and then with this switch port number 10. Okay, so this is also here starting from 3. Yeah, this is also for account. So similarly, next for port number 11, I just click here, port number 11 to 20. This one port number, this for cell. So definitely another switch. Port number 11 to port number 20. This is another. Okay, this cell. So definitely this is sales related. So what we can do here, we planning, what planning each and every campus in my campus. In my campus, we plan if PC, laptop, Wi-Fi connected to switch port number 3 to 10, automatically become account. Okay, and if port 11 to 20 we use, then become cells, in my department. It's just planning. The remaining port we can decide no, nothing any take. Okay, in my campus, Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is the planning hour. Okay, so as per planning we connect account computers and sales computer. Okay, so this is external planning, not internal planning. Now I make it planning for practical manner. Okay, तो फॉर व्हाट दिस, इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? फॉर दिस फर्स्ट वी गो this router and actual IP address. Suppose what is actual IP address? Actual IP address is that 192 suppose 168.1.0/24. This is your campus main IP. So according to this IP, first allotment IP of this port. It is the basic and first step of any network. Click here, go to the CLI mode, and it is already you done. Easy for all of you. Make no, enable conti. Now port number INT. Now I connect port number FA0/1, FA0/1. IP add 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask 255. This is 255. This is a 250. Okay, already you have know about this. No shut. So now this my port, this port is ready. Okay, and do write and exit. Okay, this is the basic, must be done in every network. The basic. Okay. Now my planning is first we just after router is closed now. Now go to switch, each and every switch. Okay. So I make first planning today for this switch, and second switch for all of you as a assignment. Okay. So for this switch, just click here, go to the CLI mode. Okay. Now I'm go to switch line mode. Now we can check. Go to the configuration mode, enable. Okay. And conf t. Now you are ready for any types of configuration. Before we go for any configuration, one command, do show VLAN. This is the command. Help of this command, we can easily identify how many sub network in our switch, in our network. So just I click here, VLAN, enter. So now you can check here. There is only one VLAN and default. Already told ki in the switch there is no VLAN. By default, all port under one VLAN. This is the VLAN 1. So you can say there is no VLAN, but by default, all switch port category fall if in point of VLAN, definitely VLAN 1 default. Okay. So here all port is the from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 24 port and 2 port under VLAN. And for these VLAN support any additional VLAN, this is the technically terms here. So the if each and every switch, if I want to use this VLAN, so definitely this is supporting, this VLAN is known as the supporting VLAN. So by default, this VLAN each and every by default in your available in switch. So this is technical term. So you don't forget this line. You just remember this line. In our this switch, either this switch, either this switch. Any switch you go to CLI and enable conf t and do show command is a do show VLAN. So, meaning of this command, so we can easily understand, find out this is the VLAN. Get our size board. Okay, yeah. This is the VLAN 1. VLAN name is default and all port in the VLAN 1. But our planning is that in my case, the port number 1 and 2, so this is a trunk line. Okay, port number 1 is connected to the router and port number 2 to switch. Okay, and port number 3 to port number 10, this is this port. This become under account PC and this is the VLAN account VLAN. Okay, and port number 11 to 20. 11 to 20. Okay, so this is the sales VLAN. Okay, okay, and remaining by default automatically become 1. Then now we can say after making this VLAN, there will be 3 VLAN: VLAN 1, VLAN account, VLAN sale. Okay, so how to make it? First we go for this. Close. Now click on, I just doing for today this switch and this another switch for all of you as assignment. Click on this switch. Okay, and now go to the configuration, already configuration. In my switch, there is the only one VLAN. So how to make VLAN? So just very simple. simple command fire VLAN space. Okay. So now VLAN this is one. So VLAN always defined by digit. So in this case, this is a count. I just imagine that this is the VLAN 10, 10, 20, 30. You can put any digit up to 9,900, and each and every switch, this range will be defined. If you can check one command by the just here, click here. If VLAN a question mark here put. So in this switch we can use either value 1 to 1005 only. Okay. And in the real world, it is also possible to 1 to 9,999. Okay. So depend on switch ki what value. By default in this switch 1 to 1005, any value can you take. It is already defined in the software. So here just we decide ki count VLAN is 10. Okay. And this VLAN definitely this is the also one LAN. So there is some IP also. Okay. So you can put any IP. It is completely on your, this IP is not purchased to any any company. This you can make any IP here. Okay. So you just take IP 10.0.0.0/8 as per plan. And similarly for cells, we just decide ki cells known as VLAN 20. Okay. And what is IP address for cells? This is the 20.0.0.0/8. So now in my campus, I just make two VLAN account and VLAN cells. VLAN account we nominate ki VLAN account we can it completely in our hand. So we just decided ki VLAN account ID is that put 10 and VLAN cells account ID is the 20. And also we here take any IP. So we just decided ki account VLAN IP is the 10.series and the cells IP is the 20. This IP is not purchased any place, any organization. Okay. It is completely depend on our user manager. Okay. So now this planning just implement here. So for switch we just VLAN 10, just enter. So this is by default when you create VLAN 10, by default VLAN created in your account. Very simple command. And definitely if give the name, otherwise VLAN 10 you can't, if I transfer from my organization, any come new here, we can't identify what is the VLAN 10. If I here put name, account, so definitely and do right. Okay. But meaning of this is the key switch, you make a VLAN 10. Okay. This name of the account. Then this exit. Again check this VLAN created yes or no. So again command fire same for checking purpose. Do show VLAN. Okay, enter. So now you can check here. Okay. Earlier only one VLAN by default all port from itna. Okay. Now you created VLAN 10 or this name is account. If here not put a name, so here is nothing blank. So one will, but here port is not available. So for account we decided port number 3 to 10. We again come back after some time. Okay. So now just enter press, create another VLAN 20. What is the name? Name cells. Okay. Enter. Do right and exit. So there are two VLAN exit, two VLAN already created. Okay. Now I just instruction to the my switch. If port number 3 to 10. This are what? VLAN account. Okay. So one more thing. If I click and go to the your mouse and switch, so you can see here one pop-up screen is open in your in screen. So you seen ki VLAN 1111111. Okay. Here my not pop-up is showing here due to some graphical error. But in your computer, so you check. So now INT interface range. Why write range? If INTFA03 and then command fire ki 03 you become VLAN 10. So only one VLAN 10 port number 3. But here we go for VLAN 3 to 10 total 7 8. Total 8 number of port we decided for VLAN 10 any account port. So in this case, single command fire to all array. So how do it possible? Just int range fa 0/3 hyphen then go for 10. So meaning of this, I just go for all 3 to 10 similar command, just enter fire. Okay. What? So command is the switch port of just now in success. Switch port access. This is the command AC met. I use a tab button, not write on complete command. And switch port access VLAN 10. Just enter. So meaning of this is the I go to the router, all port number 3 to 10 and instruct via this command. If you directly type the only this line command, this line by help of tab button, but you command is that. So now my switch is ready from 3 to 10 for VLAN. Now exit. Again you can check do show VLAN. It is just checking purpose. Now here you can see. Now port number 10, this is account, and from 10 to 10 by default for account. So very easy. Now go for the cells. So for cells again similar command fire for cell. Click here. Now outside. int range fa 0/11 to 20. Again same command fire switch port access VLAN. What I instruct to the router switch 20 and just enter. Do right. Again we can exit and again we can check do show VLAN. Yeah. So now it is very clear. Now here port number 10 VLAN 10 3 to 10 as per our planning and VLAN 20 as per our planning 11 to 20 and remaining are 0 1 2 3 4 for VLAN 1. Okay. So this configuration in campus each and every switch you can do it and then your switch can implement it in your location. So if anybody account definitely yeah he connected computer mobile Wi-Fi account access. Okay, but it depend on local completely arrangement of local and we in the our LAN we just make sub LAN also. Sub LAN that means VLAN virtual LAN. So hopefully this is already done by all of you. Now the next step is that my this PC some IP. What is the IP? Our for planning this computer you can make any IP. So we just then click here. I click this PC, go to desktop here. We can IP. So we just here planning ki our account department IP is 10.series. This IP completely taken by the owner, not purchased any place. He can change any time, no, not bounded. Okay. So here I just planning 10.0.0.0. We just put here 2 because here definitely each and every, because this is also one VLAN, matlab LAN. That meaning in the LAN. So definitely one is gateway. In whole campus is the LAN. Whole campus is the LAN. So definitely there is the gateway. Now this is the VLAN. So definitely this is also LAN. So definitely here is one gateway also. Okay. So now I just see put gateway for all account PC is 1. Okay. So now all account PC must allotted IP. This is the 3. Subnet by default /8, there no problem. This account PC another side also. This is already 1 2 3 given 4. Gateway is the same. And this computer account again. This is the 5. And this is the gateway. And similarly for cells computer, click on the cells, go to desktop. Okay, for cells, we just 20 series because here we're planning the cell size is 20.0.0. Okay, so we just click here 2. Here also gateway we designed for 1. Okay, now all cells computer as per our planning make a IP and this IP 2 3. Okay, another 2 PC also here. This PC, click desktop and go. And this is the 4 number, and gateway is the same because this is also under one VLAN. And another computer, go that 5, and this line go. Okay, so this is the VLAN. Okay, so if I check this computer to this computer, this is okay because same VLAN. Okay, and this computer to this computer is the definitely same VLAN. Okay, so this is the VLAN. If I want to account to sale, it's called communication because as per this our local arrangement, this is another LAN, this is another LAN. Okay, but this is the VLAN type. So you don't use here routing protocol. Here just next step go for IBR, inter VLAN routing, and help in your college campus. Each and every make the local IP, and all are go for the outsider. For outsider, main IP is that. So if any two people, suppose Mr. A, Mr. B, okay, Mr. A, B, so if both are checking at Google, what is the my IP? So because Google only not local check, he just check like this. So IP allotment here 192 जो भी है 192.168 IP allotment from the outsider. This computer is also 192.16.1 and this computer is also all whole campus IP because this is the global IP and this is the local IP, and this IP just like very similar. This IP local management. So if any police any query when come, the first go to this network, and this router will be locally differentiate who is calling, who is messaging from this PC. So in outsider, if you are all of you same company, same location, if all are check your mobile phone, laptop, yeah, in the college campus, if you are connected your Wi-Fi laptop, your college Wi-Fi, or all are check what is the Wi-Fi of my college campus. So all are same IP got. Just like here, if I my computer in LTTC, this is the internet. So if I other my colleague in my LTTC campus, if they type go to the Google, very simple today easy how to easy find out what is actual IP. So if here I type as per I screen my what is the my IP, so definitely each and every screen my in the campus one that this is actual IP, this is a global IP. But what is the my actual IP? We can how to check CMD. This is a command and already they one command IP config. Okay. Sorry, not gap. Okay. So this is the local IP. You can see this is the local IP. This is a local IP. Actual IP this is, but this all IP can this is under VLAN. So in local you can connect 1,000, 10,000 any types of computer doesn't matter. So single IP, but whole campus is depend on this main IP. This is the main IP. So this is the public IP. This is the global IP, and this is the private IP. Private IP you can. So how to manage? Help of the VLAN. Okay. Now I come back again here. The next challenge is that okay. My next challenge is that how to communicate from account to your app VLAN. Okay. So before going now there is a VLAN. So two most important point is also that in switch go to in switch. If again I check do show VLAN. Okay. So in this case, if I checking do show VLAN, so now this is 10. Okay, no problem, and 20 is also already. But now port number 1 and 2, they are now by default there are 3 VLAN 1, 10 and 20. So now port number 0, 1, 2 also remove any VLAN. Otherwise, communication is not possible because port number 0, 1, 2 now become trunk line. This is a trunk line. If there is no VLAN by default, in suppose in your college campus you have only single gate in or out, so there is no problem. But in your college a lot of gate in or out. So now and there is some order key. Some people only allow gate number 1, some people only allow gate number 2. That is very difficult. So first we identify. Now these all computer, these all laptop, it is very tough for all of him. How this computer where move from go to the main router. So definitely 02, 01. Otherwise, now we have 3 LAN. One in the VLAN 10, VLAN 20 is also LAN, and VLAN 1 by default. In this case, down the next our step is that this 2 port INTFA 0/1. Oh, wrong. 0/1. Okay. Now I instruct to the switch. Now you are switch port. This command is the switch port mode trunk. This is the command. Complete command switch. Now enter. Okay. So now 01. Now only for getting route trunk mode. Okay. Do right. And exit. Same. We can directly IIT range 0122. You can single command possible. There is not required. But anyway, now we have separately do it. Now 02 is also trunk mode, switch port mode trunk. This is a command fire, and this is a do right. Okay, now exit. So now both port become trunk line. This port become trunk line. Again, if I check, do show VLAN. VLAN. In this case, now again check here. So in this case, now. There is the port number 21, 22, 24. Now 1 and 2 is here, not you can see here. VLAN port 1, 2 from remove from this location. The port number 1 and 2 now not belong any VLAN category. Now it by default trunk. If you go your mouse on this switch, okay, and there is pop-up screen open, see your laptop, but definitely port number 012, there is no any indication of VLAN. And VLAN port number 3 to 10, 10, and port number 11 to 20, VLAN 20. Okay, so my next is the VLAN. This is done, yes or no? Anyway, tell me, please.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, Rahul done. Yeah, Godwin done. Okay, so this is the VLAN. Any person can. Now next go for IVR. Next is the IVR. Next is here IVR. Okay. IVR. What is meaning? I enter VLAN. Okay, routing. We make a VLAN at own level, personal level. So definitely how to manage, they are communicate to each other. So this is processed by the IVR. Very simple. In suppose how to make it. This is the router. Yeah, suppose first we just understand this is your one room at your home. Okay, in college, in anyone, this is your personal room. Okay, this is a very big room, and you have 2 people. Okay, so how to manage? So Mr. A, okay, I just hear some one wall is created here, and here is Mr. A, and here is the Mr. B, but room number is not changed. Room is the same room. People are like, suppose in hostel room, both are room number 1205, suppose. And we, when join the room, Mr. A, there are 2 people. So what we can do for separate? Internally, we can manage a wall, make a wall. So Mr. A here, Mr. B here. But for outsider, all are, Mr. A and B both are living in room number 1205. And how to manage their internally matter. So similarly, this is the router. Okay, there is the router, one LAN to another LAN. Who is communicate? Router. Definitely the router is the boss. Okay, so if anybody want from one LAN to another LAN, in this case, what happened? So we just make in this gate sub interface. Make interface, main interface is the A 0/1. Okay. So if I put 0/1 dot 10, 10 is important. If just 10 dot 10. Why then for VLAN 10? 10 is VLAN. Just enter. So definitely one sub interface is created for router and for another sub created for VLAN. Okay. Okay. So this will be done tomorrow. Today one responsibility, all of you. Similar work. Somnath, any questions?
No, sir. No,
Your
sir,
voice
no.
is very not clear. If any question, please write. Okay. Today we just, oh no, that's okay. Yeah. Same. You make, here is no VLAN, na? Here now this sending for this will be become fail. Because in this PC, we make no any VLAN. So today your assignment, all of you, is similar work done by this piece. You definitely same work here. And then we communicate from this PC to this PC and okay. And then okay, so then tomorrow morning, it may be tomorrow your class will be done. Monday. From this to this, okay. Only 30 minutes tomorrow class, not more, okay. So tomorrow we can IVR. So today assignment is that we make VLAN for this PC and must be ensure account to account communicate. Today is a fail because in this switch there is no VLAN. Okay. Job had already given all of you in your group. Okay. So URL can do and so tomorrow morning. Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow again meet at 10:30 and for only 30 hours and tomorrow complete IVR after completion of this configuration. Okay. So now this save. I try yesterday and today a class upload in the YouTube. Okay. Yes, Sonak, please. कहिए.
सर वो FA.10 जो अभी जो एक्सप्लेन कर थोड़ा बोल दी ना एक बार.
जो .10 वाला हमें कल दोबारा डिस्कस करूंगा, ठीक है.
और सर एक बार ट्रंक वाला बोलिए वो.
हाँ, ट्रंक वाला जो है कमांड है ना, ये देखो अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ. ये कमांड है सिंपल, ये आपका ये है. जिस पोर्ट पे जाओगे ना 0/2 उसको फायर कर दो स्विच मोड ट्रंक. ये कमांड होती है. ट्रंक क्यों बनाओगे? ठीक है सर, कल वाली की वीडियो हाँ मैं करता हूँ, लोड नहीं हो पाया है, मैं देखता हूँ. ठीक है, डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस.
नहीं सर, ट्रंक करने से सर तो क्या होता है वही सर.
ट्रंक मतलब वो रास्ता हो गया, उस पे कोई कंप्यूटर नहीं जोड़ा जाएगा. दैट इज द मेन वे फॉर गो फॉर आउटसाइड. भाई ये रास्ता नहीं है ना ट्रंक. अब ये कार्य यहाँ पे क्या 3 लाइन हो गया ना, 1 लाइन 2 लाइन VLAN 1 बाय डिफॉल्ट है स्विच में. तो आपको अब 3 गेट यहाँ पे, अगर आप मैं समझो कि कंप्यूटर क्या एक इंसान ही तो है, भले मशीन के फार्म में. अब उसको कहीं दूसरे में जाना है, अपने 10 से निकल के दूसरे घर में 20 में जाना है. अब यहाँ पे आ गया. अब उसके पास तो 3 रास्ता है. एक तो अपना खुद का है और उसके पास एक 2 भी दिख रहा है और 1 भी दिख रहा है. जाए कैसे? वो फिर क्या करेगा? अगर आप नहीं बताओगे तो क्या करेगा? कभी 20 में आएगा, कभी इधर जाएगा, कभी उधर जाएगा. लेकिन मैं अगर इस एक बीच बात को क्लियर कर दूं कि नहीं, अगर अपने नेटवर्क से निकलकर आपको दूसरे नेटवर्क में जाना है तो डेफिनेटली आपको इस रैंक को इस फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. ट्रंक का मतलब आपको बताया था ना, अपने स्विच से निकल के दूसरे स्विच में, जो पुराने टेलीफोन में होते थे. याद आया कि नहीं याद आया? ट्रंक लाइन वही होती है. ठीक है, कल मिलते हैं सुबह आप लोगों से. शेयर करता हूँ. थैंक यू. इस वीडियो को यहाँ कर करके शेयर करना है. इसको मैं क्लोज कर रहा हूँ. फिर दोबारा जो ज्वाइन